Hey there, I just want to make a quick video breaking down how affordable WGU is. Personally, I spent nothing on my bachelor's degree at WGU that I got done pretty much in a year, maybe around 15 months. So it's 8,000 per year for your yearly tuition. On average in the US, that's around 16,000 for a bachelor's tuition. And then that's 4,000 per semester. And at WGU, a semester is a 6-month term where you can get done as many or as little courses as you want to. As a full-time student, you get 4 assigned to you, but if you get through those fast, you can add more classes to your term. So that's how you can accelerate your degree and get it done in maybe a year and two instead of 4 years, which is going to save you 8 to 16,000 in tuition itself by just cutting off a couple semesters. So it's super affordable. And to apply for financial aid, if you can get something like Pell or any other scholarship in general, I know Pell's really good. I'll cover almost all of that 4 grand each semester. And if you have something else, like I am in the Army Reserve, being in the Army Reserve, you don't get the same benefits as active duty. So I would get tuition assistance instead of the GI Bill, which would be 4,000 per physical year. The physical year for the military resets in October. So every October, I get a new 4,000 to cover my tuition. And then if you can get anything else like extra scholarships or any other type of financial aid, you can easily cover that 4 grand or maybe come out of pocket just a little bit, but nothing where you have to take out like huge student loans. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much more for me to say. WGU is super affordable, and I highly recommend it to anyone out there. If you have any questions about anything related to this video or WGU for me, please drop a comment, let me know, like, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.